Hello and welcome back to Lookerstudio Formula 21 video series by Analytics Live. This is video number 16 and today we will explore the e-commerce funnel. So here also we have taken the GA4 dataset and we have taken the bar chart here. You can select from here. Now, if we want to see the collective data here, like for all the pages for the e-commerce event, how can we see that? Because for now we have only option to select the dimensions from here. So for now we have selected date and individually for each date we are able to see the data. So let us create a calculated field for this. So for your ease, we have already created one here. So here we have written a case where all the pages of the website will be clubbed in one. That is all pages. And we will apply that field in the chart. And we will check the data now. So now you can see we are able to see the data clubbed in one, like proper steps we can see. So for your ease, we have also created a detailed funnel structure on the next page. Let us check that in detail. So here you can see all the e-commerce events are shown in various steps here. Like this is item viewed in list. This is product view, add to cart, checkout and product purchased. And we have also shown the number of users who have moved on to the next pages. So let us check the calculation. How can we see that? So here we have taken items viewed in list and similarly you can take for other steps as well. And for the calculation of percentages, we have divided step 2 by 1. And similarly you can do that for other steps as well. Here we have taken item viewed divided by item viewed in list. And for the abandonment rate, we have taken the 1 minus and the calculation done here, that is item viewed divided by item viewed in list. And similarly you can do for rest of the rates here for the users who have dropped off. And for the numbers we have did the subtraction here. So you can check items viewed in list minus item viewed. So similarly you can do for other steps as well. So you can also try this out in your data and you can let us know in the comment section. And also if you have any other suggestions for the formulas, you can definitely let us know in the comment section and we will come up with that in the next video. Thank you so much for watching us.